Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to create a new thread for a robot program. Having a multi-thread program, it's beneficial in some cases because it can increase the performance, responsiveness, and even safety of the robot operation. For example, if you want to monitor a safety sensor in real time, this is a little bit challenging to do in your robot program. You have to insert many node to get an update frequently, or it has to wait for the robot to finish some task before you'll update the value and display it. However, if you insert a different thread, two threads will run parallel and concurrently, so the sensor value will keep on updating and displaying it while the robot is doing its task. In other cases, let's say your robot is running some computational heavy model, let's say a computer vision model. The robot can still do some simple tasks while it waits for the algorithm to finish computing. So in this video, we're gonna just demonstrate a multi-thread program using a simple function. So I'm gonna have the robot to draw a circle, and another thread, I'll just let the robot count time. To insert a new thread, we'll press robot program, and we'll go into advanced, and then create a new thread. In this thread, to let the robot count the time, I'll simply just increment a variable by 1 every second. So here I'll do a set, I'll increment configure variable by 1, and here I have reset of a variable integer value. And next, to count every second, I'll simply implement a wait, and then wait for 1 second before I increase the value by 1. In this multi-thread program, the robot will draw a circle while it's just counting. And let's take a look. Here, I'll start the robot. And as you see, the robot is not interrupted by the counting algorithm, but here we're counting the time while the robot is doing its task. And that's how you create a multi-thread program using ARCS. Thank you for watching.